Hey, we're back here at the World of Concrete. We're with Dennis Lura, the founder of Lura Enterprises, and we're going to be talking about the Lura Lightning Strike system today. Dennis, you were a contractor for a number of years. Talk to us about how the Lightning Strike system came about.
Well, for me, I had a small crew and I needed something that gave professional looking product when I was all done. The roller Screed was the answer for me. When we figured out how to couple them together and keep everything true, that's kind of our eureka moment where it made it so that we could have attachments onto it. We have 8 patents on it. So it's uniquely different than any other roller Screed on the market.
Let's talk about some of those things that make it unique. Obviously, we don't have a hydraulic power pack here. There's no hoses running all over the job site. So we're running off of a 50cc Honda motor, also available in other size motors as well.
We have a 50cc, 100cc, and 120cc, and an electric. We will be coming out with a battery pack before too long as well.
So special sauce being in the fact that we're running this off of an electric, battery powered, in this case a gas motor. But talk to us about the tubes. Talk to us about what's unique about the tubes.
One of the problems that you can have with any tube is that they're not true tubes. Well, before these tubes leave our shop, they are within 17 thousandths of an inch of perfect over 20 feet. That's not something that anybody else in the industry does.
So that's like half the thickness of a piece of paper,
Oh, it's about,
basically,
yes,
right?
it's very thin.
A fraction of a piece
Yeah,
of, okay.
Yep.
So when you say these things are straight, these tubes come out really, really straight. You can kind of see behind us, we'll maybe talk about it in a minute, but the tubes all couple together, has a unique coupling system so that if someone buys a package, they can be able to add on. We have male, female ends. We can be able to connect each of the tubes together and be able to get to various different widths. So if a guy's pouring a 4-foot sidewalk, or what are we here, 10, 12 feet wide, and go do that easily, or go jump out to 20, 24 feet,
With the
26
same
feet
system.
easily.
So much of this has been planned around making it last longer than steel, and it does. We've had contractors that have placed over 1 million square feet with one system. Pretty unique.
One of the things that I was blown away with when I first learned about the system was the weight of the tubes. Tubes weigh roughly 4 pounds a foot, is that right?
4¼ pounds a foot is what the tubes go for. So the 20-foot tube weighs 85 pounds. So if that was one of our competitors, you can double that weight. It's going to be 8 to 10 pounds a foot. So a 20-foot tube is going to weigh over 200 pounds. Ours doesn't.
One of the things that we found is that everyone that has it loves it. There's very few things that we sell that everyone that buys it loves it. This is one of those things that we've definitely found that with. Many of our customers have multiple of them because they find that, hey, every crew needs to have one. They just leave it, it just lives on the rack of the pickup. The tubes stay up top, the motor stays in the back, and then the guys use it, and they can use it almost every day,
right,
regardless of what they're doing.
This system dummy-proofs the pour. I can put 2 high school kids on this thing that just hired on today, and they'll give me flat concrete if I've got my form set up right.
So the uniqueness between the motor, being able to couple the tubes together, chemistry behind what makes up the tube, all these things are what make this unique.
And all the attachments.
All the attachments make the most versatile system on the planet. Dennis, thank you for being here with us today. Appreciate it. It's a great system. You can pick it up at any American Construction Supply location. You can visit Lura Enterprises online, visit us online, any of our social media links, and we'll see you next time.